part of the left have a Zionist problem does, however, raise a question of transference of categories of prejudice of what used to be called the Jewish question from one domain and time to another. I realize I put this forward at a particularly difficult time. Zionism in one form or another is in fact the legitimizer of Israel, the basis on which the Jewish state asserts its right to exist. The struggle to create Israel, as has already been pointed out, decades ago was led by a party that identified with the social democratic left, identified with trade unions, identified with kibbutzim. However, since 1977, and I'm using that as a convenient date to mark off a longer process, it's the date, of course, when the Labour Party for the first time lost elections to the right. Israel has undergone dramatic transformations. Those changes also, I would like to point out, begin at a time when there's also a crisis in social democratic parties and movements elsewhere in the world, including in Europe, particularly in Europe. And the result is that the Israeli government today is the most right-wing in the country's history.